Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Santa stuck in a chimney. It's going to be very simple, easy, and for beginners. It's a cute little thing. I think the little scenario is pretty cute. And that's it. So, like I said, I'm going to walk you through it. Very, very simple. That is all. So let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw Christmas or Halloween, because this is a seasonal channel. So during Christmas, I post Christmas videos. So if you subscribe right now, next year, you'll forget all about stuff like that because I won't be posting most of the year. And then by next year, you'll just start seeing these cool drawing videos on your YouTube feed as you're scrolling by. And, that's it. And then same thing goes for Halloween, during Halloween, because it's a seasonal channel. Thank you so much, and let's get started, okay? Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and draw Santa's nose right there, like a U shape. I'm going to draw a circle for one eye. I'm going to go over here and draw a circle for the other eye. Dot. Dot. It's probably pretty surprised. Gonna go over to the nose, pull down, up for the mustache part of his beard. Going over here, up. Over here, draw like this marshmallow shape for the top of his, for his eyebrow. Marshmallow shape for the other part of his eyebrow. Over here, down. Over here, down. Side of his face. Line over here for the brim of his hat. It's going to kind of go around there. Over here, up. Side of the brim of the hat. Over here, up. Side of the brim. Line over here. Go over here. Out over here. Out over here. Out over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Going down the beard. Up over here, the top of the head. Down. Line over there. And line over here. Circle. So that's Santa's head. I'm going to draw a line over here for his shoulder. Go over here for his other shoulder. Down. Go over here. Curve around his body. Go over here. Curve around this side of his body. And we're going to draw it kind of ending over here in this area. It's like a stomach area. Out over here. And we're going to draw the cuff to the end of his shirt right there. Glove. I'm sorry, thumb to the glove there. And then the rest of the glove. Go over here on this side. Line up here. Down. Over here, the thumb. So he has a bag that he's carrying. Go over here for the cuff of his sleeve. Pulling down, curve. His arm down here. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Almost looks like a empty bouquet. But what's going to happen is he has his bag on his back. And he's grabbing it. That's like the tension. Line, 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 line. Line, 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 line. Line over here, line over here. Line down. Let's draw this top of the chimney, right? Square up right here. top square, lower down, lower down, and I'm going to draw lines across, line across, line across, line across, and I want to vignette it, so I'm going to let it go down more. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line, 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 and just guesstimate my brick shapes. But halfway between here and here on the next line, it's going to be that. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Keep going down here, down, 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 down over here, down over here, down over here, down over here, down over here. All right. And that's pretty much it. What you could do is you could draw a line down here, curve for his mouth open maybe, and then draw 2 bumps for the tongue. Fill the shape right there, and then draw a zigzag underneath the mouth. You know, like he's opening it up. It's kind of like, hey, you know, he's happy even though he can't fit. And then draw lines of tension right here around his stomach area. Line over here, maybe around the sleeve. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You are awesome. Please hit that like button. This one was pretty hard to do. And if you enjoyed this video, do me a humongous favor and share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it. When you do that, it brings back a lot of cool people to the channel, and it just kind of makes everything a lot better, I noticed. But yeah, please help out and please do that. It really, really helps channel and the morale and stuff like that. Like I said, it's really awesome. I want to see if I could get this to 100,000 followers in maybe 2 years. That'd be great. That'd be like my dream. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much, and you have a great, great day, okay? The last thing is, don't forget to check out my regular programs, like how to draw the head, how to draw anatomy, and all of that. If you want to upgrade your drawing skills, go over to the Skillshare link in the description. Skillshare has a lot of amazing classes right there. If you click the link in the description, you get a 1 month completely free. It is like the Netflix of, I don't know, like drawing tutorials and tutorials of all different types, like creative ones. Thank you so much. I want to thank you, and Merry Christmas, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? See you soon.